What am I doing?
Whoa! Why can't I give up? Guess what, guys? We're back. Oh yeah, we're back. Since we're in take 14, welcome everybody to the new world, the Logo Studio Mall. That was beautiful. Now I'll show you the rooms. First, we have a cinema. Next, we have a casino. Then, we have a shopping store. Then, we have a cafe. Then, we have McDonald's. Then, we have Burger King. Then, we got KFC. Then, we have a swimming pool. Then, we have houses. Then, we have hotels. Then, we have clubs. And then, we have a Starbucks. Jeez, am I making the logo even better? Anyways, let's move on to take 15. Now that is a better clapboard.